guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. We were away for a couple weeks and we are like right in the midst of like wedding planning, and our wedding is in less than a couple weeks. So it's been really busy, but I am back with a new video today and I have a new coffee shop series video coming soon as well. So stay tuned for that. So today's video is an unboxing with iHerb, and I have worked with iHerb before. I absolutely love their products. I've done some recipe videos with them, so I will link those below if you want to check them out. But today I am doing an unboxing video of some products that I ordered. I have been on a kick of wanting to try new vegan products all the time lately. I just feel like there's so many amazing like vegan and natural products out there, and there's new ones popping up all the time. And so I really wanted to get stuff from iHerb that I can't find in stores here, or stuff that I just like haven't seen yet. So before I show you the first products, iHerb offers over 30,000 products on their site, all ranging in categories from like grocery to bath and beauty, pets, baby, sports nutrition, supplements. They have it all, and they're actually celebrating their 25th anniversary by doing different 25% off deals every day throughout the month of September. So you can make sure to check it out and see what amazing deals you can find. Of course, I will link all of the products that I mentioned in this video below if you're interested in picking some of them up for yourself. They have tons of brands, but they also have their own line of exclusive iHerb brands, and all of these have a 90-day money-back guarantee, which is really amazing, especially if it's something that you've never tried before. So let's get started. I think we will get started with the first thing that I actually used in my smoothie this morning. So I made a dark chocolate espresso protein smoothie, and I made it with, it's not that one, this Vega dark chocolate protein. And this is one of those products I have obviously seen Vega in stores. They're like a huge, really well-known brand, but I have never come across this flavor yet in stores, and I just thought it looked and sounded so yummy. And you can see it's like a really nice dark chocolate brown color, and it is so flavorful. I also got this one, which is caramel toffee flavor, and I think I'm the most excited about this. This one is like 10 out of 10, so yummy, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about this one. But if anybody has tried the caramel toffee flavor, let me know what you think. And then along the same lines of chocolate, I got this organic cacao powder, and this is the brand California Gold. This is one of iHerb's exclusive brands. All of the iHerb brands are like verified by third-party labs, and they meet like strict FDA guidelines, so they're just all really high quality. And I used this to make brownie cookies this weekend, and it was amazing. All right, the next one we got is another supplement type product, and this is something that I have never really seen or heard of before. So I've taken B12 before. Obviously, I feel like all vegans have taken like the little sublingual tablet things, but this is actually different. So it's called Vitamin Berry Booster. So they look like this. And it just says, take the content of one B12 stick as a supplement twice a week, or depending on needs, mix with water, yogurt, or smoothie, etc. Or it can also be taken just as is from the packet. So I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm really excited. It has like a ton of B12 in it. So I like that it's kind of a once a week thing rather than being like a daily thing you have to remember. So this is a grooming mist for dogs. It's like an all natural spray. I have one of these that's not an all natural brand, and it's almost gone. So I'm excited to switch to this one and try it out. I also got a hand sanitizer. So this is alcohol free. Throw this in my bag or my purse for on the go. It's literally called on the go. Okay, the next thing is called Fresh Breath Oral Rinse, and it's an alcohol free mouthwash. So excited to see if it is like less burny than most mouthwashes, because I really don't like that feeling. Seems pretty cool. I'm gonna try it out, see what I think. The last thing in the like bath category is this coffee and coconut energizing body scrub. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with coffee. I think it smells a little more like coconut than coffee, but I can see the little coffee granules in it. Okay, the last two things I got, one of them I've actually talked about in my other iHerb video, so I've used this before, but it's just one of my favorite products. So it's this not beef bouillon cubes, which is amazing for like pasta, chili, soup, anything that you would normally use beef broth in. And I just love the cubes because when you buy a container of broth, you have to like use it up within a certain amount of time, whereas these you can just use them as you need it, and you can store them at room temperature, and they're like totally shelf stable. So these are honestly a staple that I feel like every vegan should have on hand for when you're making like seitan or soups or stews or anything like that. So these have been my favorite for years, and I just love that iHerb carries them because I can't find these anywhere else. And then the last thing is something that I buy frequently as well. It's coconut aminos, which is like a soy-free soy sauce seasoning. I've got it from iHerb before. This brand is called Coconut Secret, and it's just amazing. This is so good on like noodles, rice, or again, just for like adding into stuff to give it that kind of like savory umami flavor. So I had to pick it up from iHerb because every time I do an order, I order this. So that is all of the products that I got. Like I said, I will link all of them below if you guys are interested. Thank you so much to iHerb for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I've been a fan for years and I absolutely love working with them, and I'll link my other videos that I've done with them below if you guys are interested in checking them out because there's some really good recipes in them. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!